Yo, 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 good morning, everybody. Good morning. Well, here we are. Henry, what's up? Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. Make sure we're all set. I think I've got the volume good. Oh, it's loud. Yo, 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 good morning, everybody. Good morning. Henry, what's up? Good morning, man. Good morning. Make sure we're all set. I think I've got the volume good. Oh. Okay, we got a morning anthem by Will, so I'm gonna wait for Will to cop in here. But Will made us a morning anthem song, and we're gonna jam out to that every morning together. Another day, trying to catch the market today, but at the end, not guaranteed. 100%, brother. That's the truth. You never know. Living the dream. Started my first prop yesterday. Looking forward to the process. That's awesome, man. Congratulations for jumping into the prop firm world. It is a journey, and I'm thankful for prop firms. You know what I mean? Thankful for prop firms. But today, Fed rate decisions. Eric is with Lucid. Eric, you with Lucid, bro? Eric, you're on both streams. You're on the horizontal and the vertical. All right, guys. Well, we here. Fred, what up? We here. We showed up. We've got another day ahead of us, and just thankful, man. We're live. Let's start with that. We're live. Goodness gracious, you know? We're just alive. Got my coffee in hand, got some water, and we're just chilling. But let me play this song that Will made for us. Like, I'm gonna try playing it in the morning when the countdown happens, and it'll play right when it's time, obviously. All right, take a listen to this song. Let me pause the good vibe music, and then hit play to this. All right, here we go.
Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade.
Matrix trading, y'all.
Never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold.
You did join a rave.
Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above.
Will made this AI song talking about Matrix trading and us.
Also listens in the matrix. We're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks we ascend.
All right, so we're gonna play that. On the morning countdown. as it gets to like 3 minutes, that'll start to play. And that'll be like our morning, like, oh crap, we got 3 minutes left. We got to get ready. You know what I mean? That's what that's for. So, Will, shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much. Means a lot. And yeah, we got an anthem now. Oh, let me put it in the chat so everybody can have it. Sick. We got an anthem. Espresso, you did join you did just like hop onto a rave, bro. Oh man, can we take a deep breath together? Take a deep breath. If you haven't taken a deep breath today, let's take a deep breath today. I'm gonna turn this into a meditation podcast. Podcast live. Let's take a deep breath together. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. That's it, y'all. You just need to do it one time. You don't have to do it 15 times. Just one time. Breathe in that beautiful oxygen in your neck of the woods. Hopefully it's clean and good oxygen. Breathe it in. You know what I mean? Soak in those good vibes. Got that good music. Got that good song. Just chilling. We're chilling, except for the fact that the feds decide on what they're going to do with the rates, and markets are going to be cray today. Crazy. All right, so the DXY, guys, the DXY. Oh no, I can't look at it on here. No, I can't look at the dollar index on TopStep. Come on, bro. Dang, I can't look at the DXY. All right, well, on TradingView, I have DXY pulled up. And the DXY took a massive dump last night and is continuing lower. Historically speaking, the dollar has dropped in the past. But with it dropping so fast and rapid right now, there's a lot of concerns. So the dollar goes down, assets go up, right? The dollar becomes less valuable. Why do people want to hold dollars, right? If the dollar is worth nothing, they're going to go out and invest in the stock market, invest in real estate. But that's only good for so long. So holding cash in your bank account is actually losing money. The more you save, the more you lose. How crazy is that? What kind of world do we live in where you can save $100,000 in your bank account and you're losing it? That's just cray to me. But the feds, they're not cutting rates. You know, I would like for them to not cut the rates. I know we're in a position in the economy where we have trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars of debt, and we need to pay that back. It's very everything's on thin ice, especially with the current administration making huge moves and tariffs and making the markets crazy. Everything's on thin ice, and personally, I believe everything's overbought. But you know what? Things can just keep going higher and higher, and the rich can get just richer. You know what I mean? That's the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer is a fact, and it is very heartbreaking to know that the middle class is even poorer, and the poor are getting poorer. Like they can't afford, milk. It's freaking $5 a gallon. Eggs, or inflation's just insane in just the last 5 years. So I think what would be great for everybody would be a reset on assets and rates to be held where they're at, and the economy to stabilize. And the NASDAQ right now NASDAQ, all-time highs. About to break all-time highs again. You go down to the daily. Boom. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Right here. Do we break it today? 26,646.50. That is all-time high. I mean, look at this. If we go to the monthly, check this out, guys. This is the monthly, okay? 2020. Look at how far we've rallied since 2020. Just insane. And, you know, the markets are made to go up. The markets are made to have people make money in the markets by investing. But with the Feds, you know, printing more money, that's not the solution. It can't be the solution because then it devalues the dollar. It's as simple. I'm not an economist, and I don't know a whole bunch about it, but it's pretty simple. The more money you print, the more that our dollars are worth nothing, right? So we're in a very, very crucial place in time. Inverted society, whole concept of money is fake, 100%. Yeah, when they took the dollar off the gold standard, you know, they decoupled it. Essentially, money is fugazi. You know what I mean? Of course, we're exchanging it for goods and services, but there's actually no value backed by the dollar. Same. I don't want them to cut. Yeah. Part of me also is a bear. Like, I want to see things kind of reset. Kind of what I like to see. Most of my trades are short anyway. So yeah. But we must survive so we have to adapt to these conditions. 100% agreed. You know, overall, just like outside of trading, things are going to get crazy. You know what I mean? Tariffs, rumors of wars and wars that are happening. It's a scary time to be alive, but at the same time, you know, I expected this growing up, that things don't get easier, you know. Things aren't supposed to get light and fluffy. I believe of like a one world government. I'm not for it. I believe that that's going to happen. And I believe, you know, universal basic income, people will want that. And I don't want that. I don't want universal basic income. I don't want the government paying me to live. You know what I mean? I want to be on my own. I want to stand on my own 2 feet. Well, unfortunately, that's kind of where we're headed, because the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer. And at some point, the poor of the poor are going to have to rely on somebody, and they're going to want to rely on the government. And when COVID hit, that was like the sign of what's to come, you know, the control. Not to get off tangent, but you know, I guess this is my live, so I can kind of say whatever I want, but that's kind of what I believe. So, real serious today. Freaking Jameson. You got the class clown today. He comes in. He's in the back. He's like, ooh, serious. We are at the end of the month too. Yep, that's true. That's very true. Try Lucid's trading next week. Yeah, I've been thinking about going to Lucid, opening up a few accounts there and testing them out on the next payout. So we traders call money fun coupons. Yeah, fun coupons like Leonardo DiCaprio, just like fun coupons. Tips on sticking to consistency. It's a big question, Eric. Consistency comes from knowing what you're doing, like knowing how you're feeling, I should say. Like, when you're not consistent, it's because you're making decisions that make you not consistent. And the question you have to ask is, why are you making those decisions? And then you start to figure that out. So hopefully that answers your question. Dang, Shaq, you get a haircut and get all philosophical. Well, yeah, man. You know, my barber, he's the best. Shout out to you, Devin. And you know, feeling good. Now I just need some like professor glasses, and we're gonna start class. Dejasi, what's up, bro? Oh snap, you're copy trading 4 today. Yeah, I did that yesterday. I copy traded all 4 yesterday, and then last night I took 2 trades yesterday and then one last night on the new Express account, so that's at 1,184. Once I get this up to, if I get it up to $2,000, I'll hold off, take profit on it, and then try to get all the balances the same. So, excuse me. Oh, I am poor. Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, I'm very fortunate enough to have some money in the account and have a roof over my head, but I am by no means rich. I mean, I've got debt, I've got things to pay off, and yeah, it's a very sad situation, but it's inevitable. It's inevitable, man. And that's what we're here for, right? You guys are on this live because we're all trying to break the matrix. We're all trying to get the dollar in the easiest way possible, but this is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. And I've done some really hard things. I've built companies, I've ran sales teams, traveled across the country multiple times, been screwed over by business partners. I've gone through some hard things to make the dollar. This is the hardest thing I've ever done to make the dollar, That's pretty anti-Semitic sounding. Yeah, I'll pass on that. Like the rule on props. Like the rule on props. What do you mean by that, Eric? I got a haircut yesterday too. Let's go, Moolah. Fresh cut. I told my barber, I told Devin, I was like, Devin, bro, I trust you now. Just do whatever you want. And this is what he gave me. I was like, hey, you know what? This is 35. This is the haircut that I should get at 35. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Now I just got to lose a little weight, okay? I'm still trying, man. It's such a hard thing for me. But that's the next thing, all right? I'm gonna do my best this year to get down to 220. That's my goal. Just a long ways away. But yeah, man. I'm just here. Whether I trade today or not, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Who knows? I don't want to look for something and then not be there, right? Trading is turning everyone to Neo. Yeah. Yeah, everybody is Neo. You know what I mean? Bro, I love Matrix is my favorite movie. I actually have a poster of the original Matrix movie from the 90s or 1999, and it's back here. It's rolled up. Sick, bro. I love the Matrix. I just need to get a bigger frame that's black. The frame that it had on it had like wood grain from the guy that I bought it from, and it just doesn't match the vibe of the office, so I threw that away. And I'm just looking. I gotta keep forgetting. I need to buy a frame that's like black trim. I'm gonna hang it up there. Sorry, I'm a little late. There's people that showed up to clean our mini split. Oh, nice. You got mini splits up there. Well, it's Canada, so mini splits make sense. Oh, actually, that doesn't make sense what I just said. Mini splits are popular here in Arizona because central AC wasn't like a thing for a while. So whenever I was in solar out here, mini splits was a very like common thing. And Will, we played your song earlier, so it's gonna be a thing. Okay, so on the countdown every day, 3 minutes, that song's gonna play. We're all gonna know the time's about to start. We're about to go live. So yeah, I think I get it. But in terms of how some accounts have 40 to 50% consistency rule during evaluations and possible and funded. Yeah, so the consistency rule, just to simplify it, for instance, the 50K account with TopStep is to pass, it's a 50% consistency rule. 50%. And then your profit target is $3,000. Right? Basically, in any one given day, you cannot make more than wait, I don't want to say it. What do you got? Someone give me the answer. I already know the answer, but just because I feel like I'm in a teaching mode. What's 50% of 3,000? Come on. Someone give it to me. Someone do the math. Type it up in the calculator. Do it up in your brain. Someone type it in. Put it in there. Don't do something. I know Will's gonna put like $150,000, but someone type in the correct answer. Boom, $1,500. All right. So in any given day, you can't make more than $1,500 with the 50% consistency rule. So, yay! Oh man. So, who asked that question? Sorry, I don't want to forget. Eric. So, when you're trying to pass the accounts, you can't make more than $3,000, or you can't make more than 1,500 in any given day. If you do, then you have to make more than 3,000 to pass the account. So, that's how consistency rules work. Cool. Hopefully that answers your question. Freaking Dylan 10. This guy. Oh man. All right, what are we doing? We taking the red pill or the blue pill today? Type of 1 for red or 2 for blue. Let me see who's joining or who actually knows about the movie. 1 for red, 2 for blue. 1 for red, 2 for blue. I wonder if everybody knows. There's which pill did Neo take? The red or the blue? 1 for red, 2 for blue. I'm curious to see if everybody knows. I'm pretty sure we're all caught up on the Matrix, but I'm just curious to see. Did he take the red pill or did he take the blue pill? Ah, okay. Mula, you already know. Yeah, he took the 1. He took the red. He took the red ride. He took the red ride. What if you lose negative 388 on the day? Can the other days be more in the eval once under 1,500? No matter what, the ending P&L of the day can't be more than 1,500. So if you're down $1,000 for the day and the day ends, so that means you're now negative 1,000 because the day ended and you start a new day, you can't make more than 1,500 that day. So you have to it's by the end of day, if that makes sense. So if you're down 1,000 in the day, but then you make $2,500, that equals $1,500, so you're good. I'm choosing the steak. You're gonna be that guy with his wife. I think it's in the second one. He's like with his wife and he's like eating the steak. He's like has that accent. I think he's French. Red, yes sir. Red Robin. Dylan, it's good to have you back. I know you've been working on your car, bro. Glad to have you back, man. All right, let me just jump in the charts with you guys, okay? And I know some of you guys are here watching, waiting to see something. All right, we're looking at gold. There is a 1 hour demand right over Chia. And then we have a 1 hour supply right over Chia. And now, within this 1 hour supply, we want to look for a break of structure, which we did. Higher high, lower high, higher high. And then boom, instead of making a lower high, we made a lower low. And then we would go short in this 5 minute supply. And guess what? It already tapped it. What time was that? 6 a.m. I wasn't even here. I was at the Tesla charger at 6 a.m. Oh no, I just walked into the office at this point. So now we're going lower high and we're creating lower lows. And if anything does occur, I'd be looking at the 1 hour demand down here for longs. So that's what I'm gonna do on MNQ. Oh crap, this is not gold. This is MNQ. My B, y'all. Yeah, you didn't blow it up. That's awesome, man. You're a mechanic. You're a jack of all trades. Talent. You want to revenge trade gold, bro? Gold will eat you alive, bro. Gold has destroyed me so many times, man. Don't let it do it. Don't do it. At least you're willing to say it. All right, so let's look at gold now. Dude, is gold and MNQ pretty much running the same right now? It is. It looks very similar. Weird. Very, 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 very interesting. All right. Well, let's draw out our supplies and demands. All right, if we're looking at gold, I don't know if we're going to get this far down, but this 1 hour demand is pretty interesting. We already tapped this 1 hour demand, so would like to see a break below. Come back down here, retest to go long. And we've got a supply right over Chia. So these are our areas of interest, places where we want to take trades. Zoom down to the 5 minute. And we look for breaker structures. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low. Very nice. Very nice. And then we just take the short up in this 5 minute supply. Now, shorting all-time highs on gold is extremely risky. So deciding whether it's worth it or not is the question. And I don't know that answer for you guys. I don't have that answer. Especially with Fed rate, with the Fed's decision on the rate cuts. Could be highly risky. It's pretty choppy. I want to revenge trade as he looks at gold. I'm looking at gold for you, talent. You made me think about it. Please don't be an ICT trader. I am not, brother. I am not a supply and demand trader here. Hey, Papa Bear. What's up, Shaggy? What's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning. Fred, what's up? You back? You back? Okay, look. I want to give an account away. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's give an account away today. Let's hit 55 likes. Come on, 55 likes. I'm going to give away a 50K TX3 funded account. 55 likes. 50K TX3 fund, TX3 eval. Give away 55 likes. Can we do that? Please tell me y'all hear this music, bro. Hey. Satya, good morning. Free eval account? Let's go. Yes, sir. Free eval account by TX3 funded. These guys are awesome. I know the owner's father personally. Great guys, and yeah, let's get that giveaway going. Nice, glad you're not brainwashed like so many. Hope you have a profitable morning, brother. East Coast, yeah, man. You know, ICT does work. I'm not gonna say it doesn't. There are people who are, but there is a bit of a cult-like following to the ICT guys. You know, but it's all fugazi. Everybody's trading systems all kind of like are the same, just different terminologies, but ICT just takes it to that next level, you know what I mean? UF with trend lines, indicators, and volume, that's all I need. All right, yeah. I trade with trend lines, so this would be, it is something that I used to like make sure I needed, but not anymore. But this is a trend line break. We have a 1 hour supply. We have a break of structure on the 5 minute, and looking to short this 5 minute supply. I don't know if I'm going to take it. Just kind of chilling at this point. 55K USD for 55 likes. An eval. A 50K TX3 eval count. Maybe that makes it simpler. Hashtag God Candle. Moolah. I don't know if I'm gonna use hashtag God Candle. Yeah. You know, like I'm gonna change it up. I gotta keep it fresh. I know it Gen X. I don't know if you hear it Gen X, but he's the one that came up with hashtag God Candle. I might change it up. You know, never know. Hey yo, what's up, Moose? Hopefully I said your name right. How can you maintain an edge if you're streaming the trades? That's a good question. I mean, I don't have millions of followers, you know what I mean? So I don't think that to what you're trying to say is, will the edge work if you have people following you? The answer is yes. You need probably millions and millions of people to trade the edge that you have for it to not to work, right? So top of the morning. And really an edge is important, but also understanding market structure and highs and lows. It does make a difference. So you don't have to have an exact edge. You can kind of guesstimate where things are going to happen and still be profitable. Top of the morning, bro. Top of the morning. Let me get that free valuation, Brody. Okay, Brody. I got you, but we got to get to 55 likes, bro. We got to get to 55 likes. Let me check where we're at now. Dang, we got 20 already. Did I say 55? I meant to say 75, but I'm just kidding. Let's hit 55 and I'll get that giveaway going. Any thoughts on the Fed rate? Oh, Ice T. Let's go. He said beautiful. Talent, thank you for the 100 joules, or sent 100 for 2 joules. Bro, thank you so much. I don't know what someone sent jewels yesterday. I don't know what they do, to be honest. But thank you for the jewels. Ice T. ICT. Oh. Oh man. Any thoughts on the Fed decision? Yeah, you missed it, but I was talking about the Fed rate cut. Look, I'm hoping that they hold back the Fed the cut, because I'm looking for a reset. I'm wanting the dollar to come back up. The dollar right now keeps tanking. You know, the like I said earlier, the poor, the people who are poor, who are trying to save money, their money that they're saving is becoming less valuable, and the rich who invest their money into stocks, you know, bonds, whatever the case is, they're getting richer and richer. You know what I mean? So I think that some sort of reset in the stock market, real estate, like overall, to give the middle class and the lower class an opportunity to make more income. So overall, I would love for them to hold the rate cuts, but we don't know. And maybe they drop it a quarter of a basis point, and the market's already bought into that. Like maybe the market's already accepted that a quarter of a basis point it was going to happen, and it's not that serious, and the markets tank. But overall, I'm just hoping that there isn't a rate cut. That can cause other things to happen, but at this point, I think a reset is due. A reset is due to give everybody a fighting chance. Any thoughts on the Fed? Over 70 people in here. Everyone, please hit the like button. You guys better listen to this guy, H Dub. He knows what he's talking about. Okay, listen to him. He knows what he's talking about. Also, if you haven't done so, would love to earn your subscription. It's a free way to support the channel. We also have a free Discord linked in the pinned comments. What's your opinion of the power of 3 with RSI divergence as a confluence? I don't know the power of 3. I used to trade RSI. I used to have indicators like that, overbought, oversold. And I even, on my other screen, which you guys can't see, I have TradingView pulled up. I have a 13 EMA and a 200 EMA. You guys have to understand, like, any indicator that you guys decide to use is just a lagging indicator. It's all lagging indicators. Nothing is more real than order flow and the candlestick that you're looking at right now. Nothing else actually tells you truly where anything is at except for price action and order flow. So yes, RSIs and EMAs and Bollinger Bands and whatever else indicators, those indicators do work. And I used to be the guy with all the freaking indicators everywhere, bro. And even with all the indicators lining up for you, doesn't mean that it's going to follow through because it's a lagging indicator. So take that with a grain of salt, but that's my opinion on RSI and stuff like that. Are you consistently profitable, or are you still your journey there? I guess for everybody that's new, this is the last 30 days. I'll show you guys the last, I guess a little bit more than 30 days. In total on 2 Express accounts, I did 10,000, so 20,000. I have just like just now became profitable, and I'm very hesitant to say profitable because only time will tell, right? So I don't want to sit here and say, yeah, I'm a profitable person, right? Because truth is, I can blow this all up tomorrow. I can blow this up today. I can go on tilt and just lose my head and just blow it up, right? So as of the last 30 to 45 days, I am profitable, and thank God that I am. He's the only reason that I am. He's helped me so much to be at this point. And so to answer your question, yes. So anybody that is listening, I take it to heart because I don't want to be a fake guru and someone that poses. That's why I trade live, because like I want people to see that it's legit. I want people to see that I'm not fake. And I'm not going, and when I do buy a Ferrari maybe one day, it will be solely because I made it through trading and not because I sell courses and I make more money in courses and all I do is sell courses, right? And I'm not against course sellers. I don't want to say that because I've bought courses that helped me, but I say all that to say I've been going live, and the OGs that have been with me for the last few months have seen me, go from nothing to here. And all my lives are here still on my YouTube, so you can see it. So sorry for the rant, but there's some new people here, and I wanted to give them a shot on knowing who I am. Red pill. Okay, Moolah, that's a good one. I like that. Hashtag red pill. That's a good one. Give this man a like. Thanks, man. Thanks, talent. Bullish gods, I can't trade. ICT. Classic, bro. Classic. Please hit that like button. 100%. Hit that like button, guys. 55 likes gets us a 50K TX3 funded giveaway. If you guys looked at my description, you guys use my code SHACKMT with TX3 funded. You guys will get the best discount from them. It's the same discount that you're going to get if you use their code, but when you use my code, they give me more accounts to give to you guys. So if you decide to get something from them, please use my code. It'd mean the world to me. I get a little commish, and then also they give me more accounts to give away. Bro. Retail traders, nothing on the market. Banks and big bulk move the market. 100%. That's the truth. We barely scratch the surface, man. And I end up prop firm trading, so all of this is fugazi. They're just paying me out on demo funded accounts. You know what I mean? A lot of people in here this morning. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. It's a party. The music is a vibe. 25 minis, psych. What do you think of me, bro? Going 25 minis deep. That's crazy. Nobody gets rich from saving. 100%, man. Nobody does. And I mean, you can. Rich is a very relative word, but I mean, maybe you can stack $100, $200, $300, $400,000, but long term, that's not going to save you, I guess, right? But yeah, nobody really gets rich, millions, multi-millions by saving money. Rich gets richer while the working man continues to struggle. Unfortunately, my friend, that is the truth. And I believe that that's how they want it to be. And that's how the world works. Unfortunately, I'm a business owner. I have employees. And, I can't pay them what I get paid, or else I can't make money and continue to give opportunity. But that being said, we're at a point where it's not even about working. It's just the rich are richer than ever, and then the poor are getting poorer than ever because the cost of goods, the cost of inflation, the tariffs that are being taxed. Who's paying for the tariffs? It's not the countries. It's the end buyer. So if a car is being tariffed 20%, yes, at the end of the day, the dealership or the car manufacturer is going to pay that 20%, but they're going to pass it on to the end consumer when they go to buy that car. So sorry about that. Rich gets richer. I'm trying to keep up. You guys are fast this morning. Good morning, everyone. KNT, what's up? Good to see you. Haven't seen you in a while. What is the profile? What about profile? Papa, what are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. The Maddie. Good morning, Maddie. You're late again. Just kidding. NQ. Yes. I can look at NQ for you. Stand by. I really thought I'd never get to a point where I can't keep up with all the comments. So just if I don't get to you or I miss you, I apologize. Because I know what it's like being on a live stream and like trying to like say hi to the guy and he never sees your comment, So guys, I apologize if you're on the horizontal stream. I'm gonna miss you guys because I'm on the vertical stream. So I have two. So Lewis, I see you. Good morning. Nathan, give me a second. I'll be right back with you guys. I'm still with you. Obviously, you're watching live, but there's people on the short live that I'm tending to. Sorry, you said NQ. NQ, we talked about this 1 hour supply, and then we have this 1 hour demand. So I'm currently waiting for the trend line break and a break of structure in this 1 hour demand. So that's kind of what we're doing. I'm taking a trade in paper since I can't watch it at the moment. 100%. Roger that, Will. Okay, any bad practice from Prevor prop firms to share? I don't know about Prevor prop firms, my friend. I'm sorry. Moolah, hit that like button, folks. I can't keep up with the likes, so if you guys see 55 likes, you let me know. TopStep looking better today. TopStep's looking much better. They've paid me out. These are the total payouts that they've given me. Close to $15,000. I'm in a point of profit split now. So, you know, at the end of the day, they might have some platform issues every now and then. It might freeze. It might kick you out. But these boys pay. They pay. The jewels, gifts, just hype up your YouTube algos, and some credit to you. Let's go. Thank you for that. I didn't know that. I don't know how that whole hype thing works. I don't even have a hype button. Can someone tell me where the hype button is? Because I can never find it for other people. But if there's a hype button, let's hype it up. What do you want me to do? You want me to dance some more? I already dance on my own time, so I can dance in front of y'all. All right, enough of that. Like the dang stream. Would you hire me, Mr. ShackMT? $5 million each trade for me on the position. Oh my gosh, bro! I don't got that kind of moolah, brother. Oh, KNT, you're funny, man. Good to have you back, brother. Good to have you back. Bada boom! Hit that like button, people. Talent, you're steady on it, bro. I'm a new fan. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. And join the Discord, completely free. Completely free. Save to invest. That's the key. 100%. Yeah, saving and investing. I invested in crypto and lost all my money, so crypto is a little bit sketch. I wouldn't do that again for a while. It's all algos and robotic trading, over 80% now because money seems hands off. Yeah, I mean, there are definitely algos, but I've said this before on live stream. Majority are retail traders with the hedge funds. If there are really algos, I mean, there are algos that are profitable. I don't want to doubt that. But what I'm trying to say is everything's emotional when it comes to money. So when we look at candlesticks, we're looking at emotions. And the majority of people trading aren't using algos, and the hedge funds aren't using algos. They're actually manually trading. So I believe that most of what we're looking at is just emotional candles. Welcome, H-Dub. Join the Discord. Moolah, let's go. Hashtag Red Pill. H-Dub, 100. What chart you watch, Shaq? I watch NQ and gold only. Jim Rohn will tell you how to shift your mindset if you really want to break out of being poor. Jim Rohn is amazing. I love Jim Rohn. One of his favorite speeches that I listened to that changed my life. I remember driving to work early in the morning, selling solar, driving my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I was just playing Jim Rohn in the morning. Just left the gym, feeling good, young, and trying to make that moolah. And he's like, you know, Shaq, or he wasn't talking to me. It felt like he was talking to me, but Jim Rohn, he was like, everything is risky. Getting out of bed is risky. What if we just fed you 3 times a day, gave you a place to sleep, put clothes on your back, and you lived inside of that place? We took care of you the rest of your life. Is that a life that you want? And then that may be like, no, I don't want that life. And he's like, well, everything is risky. Getting out of bed is risky. Starting a business is risky. Getting a job is risky. Getting into a relationship is risky. Everything is risky. When I realized that, bro, like, life really did change for me. So, shout out Dylan, Jim Rohn, let's go. Pervious gold. Gold. I'm gonna put an alert on a 5-minute supply where I'm looking to go short. Say Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Let's go, Mickey Mouse. I found this at Target. I'm wearing it again. You guys saw me wear it on Monday. I love it so much. My wife washed it, and I saw it. I was like, yo, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Yeah, Shaq, you can't say hi to me. Jello, shut up, man. Shut up, Jello. Get out of here. This guy trolling me. Jello. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm sure it's Jello. I just shorted gold. F it. Oh, shoot, bro. Okay, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Papa Bear, LOL. I feel you, brother. H-Dub, 15 minutes. Let's go. 15 minutes till market open. It hit 55 and went back down. Wait, hold on. Let me check, bro. Let me check. Jello, you don't say hi to me, bro. That's the truth. You don't say hi to me. Oh, it didn't go up to 55 and went back to moolah. This guy. When are you going to get the curls? Okay, today. Done. Today. Will. 100%. We got to get 55, though. I will get those curls in. Sent 100 for 2 jewels. Thanks, Moolah. I appreciate it. I'm up big in crypto. Love crypto. Good for you, bro. I was up. The problem is I was really, really up in crypto, and I didn't sell. That's the problem. H-Dub, 24 more. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, 24 more till we can get the giveaway. I'm up big in crypto. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks, KNT. You too. Same to you, brother. H-Dub, thanks for the jewels, guys. Thanks for the jewels. We need curls, not dance. Okay. You have my word. Today, if we get the 55, I will do the curls for you guys. Everything is risky, 100%. Everything is risky. Everything in life is a gamble, 100%. That's the truth. Shaq, you trading FOMC? I am going to try. I have a 9 a.m. meeting, guys, that I have to attend to. So I don't know if I can or not. So if I can't do it live, I'll most likely wait and see if something pops up later in the day and take the trade. Which you guys can see that in the Discord. The Discord's in the description, in the pinned comments above. Completely free. I post when I'm going to take a trade in there, or I try to. And also Dylan and other people take trades, and you guys are welcome to join in. Not financial advice. You enter in and do trades at your own risk. Bro, can you take a look at ES? ES is pretty much the same as NQ, but yeah, I'll take a look at it real quick. We got the 1 hour time frame on ES. We have a supply zone right over Chia, and then we have a demand zone right over Chia that I would be looking at. Right now, there isn't any trades that I would take unless they're in these zones. So currently speaking, maybe trend line break, but it's going to be pretty risky for me if I were to take anything. I would be looking for shorts up in this area and then longs in this area. That's pretty much all I can say for you. MNQ. Everything. I made $7,000 unrealized with Doge back in 2021, bro. I had so much money. Fred, if you're listening, you know what I'm about to say. I made so much money in freaking NFTs and OMI. I invested like 15K, and I was crushing it in solar. I had all this extra income. I was just like throwing it in there. That thing went to like 175K. My OMI and NFTs. And your boy wanted millions, and unfortunately, I didn't sell. And now I'm holding the bag, and it's only worth a few $1,000. Bro, can you take a look at ES? I did that. Anyone on here having issues with Tradeify? Like currently, don't change the weight. No, Papa. I'm not going to do 50 curls at 25 pounds. No. What strat do you trade? Supply and demand with market structure. Official Fred, sunglasses. Hey, we at 30 likes. Dang, you guys are fast today. Fast. What's the Discord? Discord's in the pinned comments above or in the description, guys. He trades supply and demand. Thanks, bro. Like and subscribe, people. Awesome. Stop, don't remind me. Unfortunately, I did. And now I'm trying to keep up with you guys on the horizontal stream. What strat do you trade? Con, I trade supply and demand with market structure. And Nathan said generational fumble. If y'all are aware, but Apex Funded got 90% on evals with no activation fees. I'm pretty sure with code SMART. Nice. Let's go. All right, we're caught up. I'm gonna have to take a break. I can't keep up with all the comments. Per usual. My coffee's cold. My coffee's cold. Yo, man, where's the other stream? It's in my shorts feed, short live. Okie dokie. Well, as of right now, there isn't anything crazy close to me wanting to take on NQ. So I'd want to see price enter in this 1 minute demand, form some sort of like break of this trend line, and then I want to break the trend line, sweep the last high, and enter in long like that. So I'm gonna wait for NQ to kind of form a bit more. Gold, on the other hand, yo, what in the is that thing? Excuse me. Okay, there you go. All right, so potentially looking at shorts up in here. Potentially, remember guys, potentially. Markets are kind of slow right now, so at market open, I'm gonna take a look at and see what happens. Chair CU, potentially longs on gold, yes. I don't know if I'd take a long now. I would probably look for longs further down in the 5,178 area. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get that pullback, but that's where I would go long. Right now, I'd like to take this short up in the 5,272 area. All right, so I have my alerts set up. We're all set. Hold on. I'm gonna put MNQ here and gold on the other screen. So there you go. Like and subscribe, people. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Stop, don't remind me. Sorry, Fred. I already remind you. How many years have you been trading? Been trading for about 6 years, Dinesh, since 2020. Can you check silver? Sure. Oh, what's the ticker for SL? All right, so silver and gold pretty much trade somewhat the same, you know. Gold's a very hot, or silver's a very hot topic right now. So, you know, I'd be wary of anybody trying to invest long term. But I might be wrong, and then you invest right now and this thing goes to $500 an ounce or whatever it is. So, if we're looking at the short term, if you're a scalper and you're just looking to trade it, we look at this 1 hour supply right up here, and then we look at this 1 hour demand right here. And I would be looking for trades within this range because of the FOMC minutes. I think that's why we're kind of chopping left and right. So just be careful. Right now, shorts I'd be interested in shorts up here, longs down here. Hopefully that gave you something. I'm not the best at chart reading. You know what I mean? I just look at the purple box and I say short, and I look at the other purple box and I say long. I only trade the big boys like BTC, ETH, and some smaller like XRP, SOL, and Link, and HBAR, a couple others too, but smaller capital. Nice, man. I mean, you know your stuff. XRP, I've heard so many. The XRP boys, I know they're a freaking huge cult. Any trade at the moment? Currently, no. Sometimes we are usually in trades by now, or we've taken one, but price is extremely slow. It's very choppy, so haven't taken anything. Can you check silver? Did that. Oh my gosh, 15K, sheesh. Yeah, it sucked. Hide chat, weird. Okay. This is secret indicator. That's a secret indicator. Wait, what's my secret indicator, Jello? Market open in 2 minutes, guys. 20 more likes, guys. Let's go. Only 20 more. Y'all got it. Alberto, thanks. Shaq, have you looked at NG1? I don't know. I've never heard of NG1. Sounds like a supplement. Have you taken NG1? Maybe I'm a sponsor of it. Guys, I don't know about you, but when I feel tired and groggy, I need something to pick me up. And NG1 is the thing that picks me up. So make sure you go to your store and pick up NG1. Use my code ShackMT if you want to get your NG1. I got to turn on the heater because it's super cold. One sec. Oh, natural gas. Nah, bro. I've never looked at natural gas, to be honest. Same strat for NQ and gold, Nathan. Yes, same strat. The same old thing, my friend. Same old thing. Come on, there you go. Like that stream, guys. Like it. Smash that like button. Smash it. $23 seconds left to market open, everybody. Sorry, I'm replying back to my team. I bought some NG1 just because you influenced me. You're an influencer now, bro. Yeah, NG1. NG1. Actually, I'll take some vitamins. All right, guys. Market's about to open. Let's... Market open. Ding, 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 ding. He's a legend. 1 minute. It's time. Bro has 3 XFAs. Nice bounce on those. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Just chilling. Wow. What an uneventful market open. All right. NQ's popping way more than gold right now. So... for entertainment purposes only, I'm going to pull up NQ. All right, so I like what's happening here. We've got higher high, lower high, or lower high, lower low, lower high, looking for a new lower low. And just to continue the trend until we break it, right? Until we have a change of structure or break of structure or whatever it's called. And we'll look for longs if it gives us the opportunity. So if this thing continues to break higher, then we'd want to see a 5-minute candle close above this last swing high for us to look long. You heard? You heard, bruh? So slow today. You think it's because of the news? 100% Moolah. It's a very slow day because of the news and a high risk to take any trade, to be honest. So I'm going to take it very careful and slow. Don't jinx it. Yeah, I'm not going to try jinxing anything. I'm just, we're just here. 55 likes, though. That's all you need. Bro, I freaking love this music, man. I was listening to the same exact stream on YouTube on the way home from my drive. $17 more likes. Hit that like, guys. Let's go. All right, gold's starting to fall down. Oh, 22 more likes. I don't know how many likes. I'm just looking at what people are saying. H-Dub, 22 more likes. Okay, okay. Okay, NQ. All right, I'm gonna set my alerts for gold and just let it be. And I'm gonna watch on the 5-minute on the left. Oof, anybody that just took that long, getting burned. Excuse me. Excusez. Let's look at the let's look at our poll today. Do Feds cut rates today? 46% of you say for show. 23% of you say nah, bruh, it's over. And 31% of you say I am new to all this. Well, welcome to you newbies. And sounds like most of you guys want to see rate cuts. 95% chance no rate cut, by the way. Yeah. It's already 33 likes and 22 more to go. 100%. It's been cut so much, I doubt they'll do it again with the new head coming in soon. Yeah, I agree. Fake out, breakout. Yep, 100%. Definitely faked it out. Trapped a lot of people just now. So if we're creating a lower high, that means we're going to make the new lower low, which is sweet. So now we're just chilling, waiting for a change of structure. On the 5-minute, the EMAs are pretty tight, so it could be pretty risky here, guys. Not going to lie. So it would have to look really good for me to take a trade. NQ said psych. Yep. What asset is this, bro? This is NQ. Pervious sheesh. Nathan, how long did it take you to get off the wait list for poly? Took me like 2 months, maybe longer. There, I can finally stay in the chat. They just got done cleaning the mini split. Nice, dude. Hopefully that went well for you. Will. I'm in silver longs. Nice, brother. Nice. Gold is coming up to our supply, 5-minute supply, where I was planning on taking a short. At this point, I don't like the support that it created in the 5-minute here. So technically, I was looking to take shorts here. Ay caramba. It's a 1-hour supply. Creating a lower high. I'll need to see. I don't know if I'm going to take it right away. I'll see what happens here, guys. All right, NQ is tapping into our 1-hour supply zone. Very nice. Not just going to take it right off the rip. Going to wait for some sort of change of structure, break of structure. Took a paper trade long. Nice, Will. They put me on a wait list. Have to be approved. It took like 2 months. Prince, what's up? Asa, what's up? Rasan, what's up? New to Forex, nice man. Yeah, I mean, we got the giveaway, so we got to get to 55 likes, and I'll hit the giveaway. You quit gambling at the start of this year? Nice, brother. Good for you. The notification that someone just subbed hit, but it didn't show up on the screen. Very, very weird. Did you guys see it? All right, NQ is looking pretty interesting right now. All right, so now we bounced off of this 1 hour demand, right? Instead of creating a lower low on the 5 minute, we created a higher low or lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high. No. Yeah, higher low. So now I want to see a 5 minute candle break above this and close. Okay. And then I would look to be going long in this 5 minute demand only if it breaks and stays above that swing lower high, whatever it's called. No, the shorts on gold is working out, but I didn't take it. I'm going to wait for this NQ setup. The shorts on gold are looking good. It's looking good so far, but I'm not taking it here. Going to wait for this NQ. Debating whether I'm going to jump in on these shorts on gold. No. Just going to focus on NQ. Sorry, guys, I'm just focused on watching the charts. So, got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle. It's a risky trade because the EMAs are kind of getting close to each other. But as long as we close above the swing high, I like the longs. All right, we had a break above both of these swing highs. So I'm going to take an aggressive entry long in this 5-minute demand. This thing could very well just run without us and not fill us. So just be careful. The shorts on gold 100% look good now. 5-minute candle close. This next 5-minute candle is about looking weak. So it looks pretty decent actually, shorts on gold, but we're already committed to taking longs on NQ, so I'm going to focus on that. Keep looking at gold, but I'm just going to stop looking at it.
Order filled.
Oh, looks like we're going to get a quick loss on this one. Dang. That's a quickie. That one is fast. Like our losers, the losers that we know, that happens really fast. We usually lose within 1 or 2 minutes. So it looks like that's about to happen for us.
Order filled.
All right. We took this shot, everybody. And we waited, and boom. I'm gonna watch just to see what happens here. If it comes back up, I'm gonna give it another shot, but I'm gonna wait for the next 1 minute candle. If this 5 minute candle closes bearish, then I'd be flipping biases. WL, yeah, 100%. Yes, W on that loss. That's definitely a perfect loss. I'm very happy with that loss. All right, and this 5 minute candle, if it closes bullish, then we're going to enter in. Or if it closes above the swing low, we're entering in. But I just want to see how it closes first. If it closes bearish, I'm going to flip bias going short.
Order filled.
So on the 5 minute, this 5 minute candle closed above the swing low. So I wanted to give it a stab. You know, it's in the zone. It could fail and continue lower, but you know, you got to take the second shot.
Order filled.
We want the 5 minute candle to close on the 13 EMA for us to get out of danger. Right now, we're still in danger. We're not in the clear. This 5 minute candle can reverse and stop us out. And you know what could happen is we can just be stuck in a range all day until FOMC. What time is FOMC, guys? Really quick, can anybody just look that up? 2 p.m. EST, right? So 2, 11, 12, or it's 12 o'clock my time, 12, 1, 2. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute 30, I should say. $58 seconds left. Really need to see this candle flip.
Order filled.
$10 seconds left. If we close bullish, we'll be good. Or we'll be in a better position. I can't say that we're going to be perfect with FOMC minutes. All right, we did close bullish on the 5 minute, but that doesn't mean that we're clear. So just hang tight, everybody. I'm going to move my stops below this 5 minute candle. See if we get the breakout. I'm considering this as the TP and to get out because of FOMC. I'm considering this to be final TP. And I'm also considering going to break even because of FOMC.
Order filled.
Yep, I might kill the trade because of FOMC. We're struggling. All right, I'm lowering my risk. I'm going to get out of the trade because of FOMC.
Order filled.
Very nice. Very happy with managing that risk. I mean, we went long. I was waiting for the breakout, and we didn't get that breakout. So gold is breaking out long, which is cool. So could have broken that. I could have gone at break even on that trade and then break even on the day, but I wanted to give it a shot to actually go long. So yeah. Are you giving a 50K account? Yes, I am. We got to get to 55 likes. Why would you trade AM on FOMC low probability? Because I can. 2:30 p.m. onwards for higher probability. Anybody can do whatever they want before or after FOMC, right? What if I got in and made money there? You'd be mad? This is nasty price action. But I could have scalped it, the swing high right here. I was looking for this and been fine. Now we got this little trend line forming. Very happy with that trade. Confluences were there. We're just caught in chop and manage my risk. Break even because we didn't get that push up. Thanks, Eric. Facts. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm flipping my bias. 5-minute candle close. Giving it a shot. And then after this, I'm going to wait for FMC if we get stopped out. But I'm flipping the bias because of the 5-minute candle closure. And then this, looking for this 5-minute candle to close weak. So we'll see what happens here. I'm managing my risk. I know how much I'm risking. I risk the same amount every single time pretty much. That doesn't change. And if I'm wrong on the trade, so be it. I've been down before. On live, too. What makes the difference? I risk around $250 per trade. All right, there's 14 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. If it closes on the 13 EMA, we're probably going to be cooked and call it GG's. If it flips, I'll add in 2 more contracts and look for this swing low.
Order filled. Order filled.
Trying to give it a chance. It doesn't look like it's going to give it to us.
Order filled.
All right, I closed the trade out. Something just happened. Gold is dumping right now. I don't know what's going on. Just give it a second here. Holy cannoli, what is going on? All right, well, that would have been a winner there, but I saw gold dumping, too volatile, and I'd rather just get out of the trade with it being so choppy. All right, NQ's coming down, which is nice. Would have been nice to be in it, but I'm glad I closed it. Could have definitely went the other way. There's always opportunity in the market, and gold breaking down like this as good opportunity. So let's see if we do get a retracement. If we don't, then we're going to miss out on the trade, which is perfectly fine. So our original short was in this supply box, and it looked like it broke above it and then rejected. So now shorts have been confirmed. I'd like to shorten this 5-minute supply if we get it. Oh, nice, guys. We hit it. Nice job. We hit the likes. All right. Well, give me a few here. I'll make sure we do the giveaway. We're going to comment. All right, comment red pill to enter, everybody. Red pill to enter. Shout out to you, Mullah. Gave me the idea. Comment red pill. Oh, NQ, you broke my heart. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. You only need to do it one time, guys. You only need to do it one time. Just remember that. You only need to do it one time. It's got to be hashtag red pill, guys. Hashtag red pill. If you're on the horizontal stream, you guys got to go to the vertical stream to enter in, guys. I'm so sorry. Freaking NQ. Oh, NQ, why you do me dirty like that, bruh? Why you do me dirty like that, bruh? Horizontal stream is the one where you see my full screen. There's only 5 people in there. Blue Chew, stop it. Tisk. Just give me a second, guys. I want to see if I can get filled on this trade. Bluetooth. That's funny.
Order filled.
Holy cannoli. 5 micros? Oh, I could be screwed here, guys. Holy crap. I'm going to break even. I'm getting out of that thing. Yo, what in the world? Sorry, I that was way too crazy price action. That is crazy. I could have stayed in that, but 5 micros, the what is it called? The candles were so big. And I saw that I could have made my money back and get out. Psh, out, bro. Out. That was crazy. Micros, you got to trade like 2 micros right now, bro. On gold. Yo, that gold trade though would have paid. Oh man, what a morning. What a morning. That gold trade would have paid big. But I closed out because that was too crazy. I was at break even. I guess I could have just kept it. But you know, it is what it is. Let's see if we can. I'm going to see if I can scalp it short. Not yet, guys. Giveaway hasn't happened yet. Sorry. Just a few minutes, please. Just a few minutes. I'm so sorry. I'm going to do it. You have my word, so just hang tight. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just doing my thing right now. My mind's looking for a trade, which is fine with me. I'm just trying to pick the right one. Thank you for whoever just subscribed. Thank you to the new subscriber. For whatever reason, it's not popping up. I am a scalper off stream. A lot of my trades that I take off stream are scalping, and I can see this as a scalping kind of market right now as we speak. And Q has these EMAs that are about to cross over that could be very bearish. But we got a nice little trend line forming here. All right, if you just hashtag red pill, you guys got it. Just give me about 10 more minutes and we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. Promise. You have my word. NQ shorts look decent. We would have been good if we stayed in, but it is what it is. Well, I see your notification. I will read it right when I'm done. I think you said play something for when we do the giveaway. So I hear you. All right. Think it's slowing down here. Thanks to whoever just subscribed. I wish the notifications would pop up, but it's not.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I locked myself out for an hour. It was hesitating, and right now I'm getting a little bit like everywhere. So price isn't like fluid right now. It's it's hesitating. It's kind of like choking up at some places. The spreads are really not spreads, but the candles are so wide that I'm trading 3 micros and it's pretty decent. So just going to take a break, take an hour out. I have a meeting here in 30 minutes, so I got to do this with you guys. So here we go. GG's to you guys. If you took anything, good job. Very choppy, very, very choppy. So I'm glad at being break even. Maybe I don't trade the rest of the day and just call it a break even day. Good job, everybody. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, guys, before we do this, just want to say I would love to earn a subscription from you. If you tap the subscribe button, it means so much to me to be a part of this team, be a part of the family, the Matrix Trading family, and have you be a part of the team every single day. I try going live every single day, but sometimes I can't. Number 2, I have a free Discord. It's in the description below. Okay. Join the Discord. We're there every day. There are profitable traders or unprofitable traders, but the whole thing, the whole reason for the community is because it's really, really sucky to be an unprofitable trader by yourself. And it really, really sucks when you're making money by yourself. And just wanted to create a community where we could all talk, be open, transparent, tell each other the truth about trading and hold each other accountable. So that being said, please join. It means so much to me. Everybody, one last time, please type hashtag red pill. Hashtag red pill. Everybody enter in one more. Hashtag red pill. One more time, just to be sure everybody got their entries. And then I'm going to go over to Will Play this song during the giveaway. Okay, you got it. Oh. Hold on. It's taking me to my Apple Music. Okay. All right, Will said to play this song. All right, everybody got it in? All right, hold on. I got to pause this. All right, Will, I'm trusting you. I don't know what he made, but let's take a listen. It's called Shaq's giving away a 50K TX3 funded account.
He dances round, his voice so sweet. Hey, promise and wealth and power, oh, so neat.
It does sound like Maroon 5.
Shaq's golden gamble, a risk you can't ignore. 50K deep, it's free trading account. It's a door beneath the slide when and a cloak flutters wide. Anticipation builds danger by your side. The forest
let's let the song play.
Of those who gambled and never came back home. Young hearts beating fast under the moon's gaze. Dreams of fortune up, beware the curse. Shaq's golden gamble, a choice to make.
Put your comment, hashtag Red Pill. I said God Pill. Shaq's promise, it's a trap, it's a hustle. All right, we got about 40 seconds left. I'm about to hit it. Come on, clap your hands. We're at church now. All right. Will, everybody, W's in the chat for Will. W, he's the moderator here. Freaking awesome guy. I've never met the guy in person, but he's the biggest supporter. Everybody, please, W Will, guys. Give me a W Will. Means so much. Thanks, Will. Thank you so much, man. You spending the time to make this stuff and take care of the Discord, means a lot to me. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. W's in the chat for Will. W Will. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this giveaway or what? Let's go. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Bandies 3928. Let's freaking go, Bandies. Bandies, are you here? Bandies, you here? Let's hold up. We got to make sure he's here though. We got to make sure he's here. We might have to do it again if he's not here. So just give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes. So stand by. Stand by, guys. Let's make sure. It might not be final. Ah, there he is. Andy's, what up? What up, brother? Welcome. Good job. Good job. Congrats, man. Got you that 50K account. If you could, please join the Discord. Bandis. Join the Discord. It's in the pinned comments below. All right, join the Discord. And I'm going to post a screenshot of you. I want you to reply back to me, please, in the Discord. Oops. All right, brother. I posted it in there. Bandis. Okay, sweet. Yep. Okay, what I want you to do is direct message me. Send me a message, okay? And then I'm going to type in a number for you to type into the YouTube chat. You should be a cop, and your slogan should be taking a bite out of crime. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Another one, Shaq. Funded heroes. I have a 25K funded hero account, but currently waiting to see if they fix their issues that I have currently with the with some of the guys that have an account with them. So I don't want to support them until they fix some of these issues. So I'm still waiting to hear back from them. So I don't want to give away their accounts. Type 1 in the chat for another. TX3 funded only gives me X amount a week, okay? TX3 funded only gives me an allotted amount per week. So don't type a 1 in the chat for another. Don't listen to Papa Bear. Kathy, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Abdul, what's up? Having a hard time finding the Discord. The Discord's in the pinned comments above or in the description. I'm in there, Bendis. So just reply back to me when you can, please. H-dubs at 1. I only have X amount per day, okay? I'm gonna be applying to other prop firms this weekend, so I can get us some more accounts to give away. All right. Bandy's, you there? Talk to me. Gotta make sure you're there. Kidding, bro. I know. Bandies, you gotta join the Discord. It's in the pinned comments above or inside of the description. Contact you via fax. What the freak? I haven't heard that in a long time. Bandy's gone. Let's go. No, we got to give him a shot. Bandy's joined the Discord. Oh, you're on your phone. That's probably why. You're going to have to take a picture of it and then copy and paste it somewhere on a browser, guys. I know, I know. Oh yeah. Fred's Bandies now. Bandies, you got to join the Discord. Can you find the Discord? Yeah, you're going to have to copy and paste on mobile. Sorry, guys. Bandies, so if you joined Bandies, you see my picture, or you see the picture I posted of you saying you won. Click on my name and message me directly on Discord. So many Bandies today. Yeah. Yes, Matrix Trading. That's me. Matrix Trading. That's our Discord. Can I contact you on Instagram? I couldn't access Discord. All good. Yeah, go to Shaq. Trades by Shaq. I just changed my name to Trades by Shaq on Instagram. Trades by Shaq. I need to change that on the. I need to change it on the thingamajig. Trades by Shaq, guys. Trades by Shaq, and you can DM me there. Did I end up winning today? No, Espresso. I was down $400, and then I made it back, and now I'm break even. It doesn't matter. If you type in the Discord, I'm going to give you a number to type into the chat on YouTube, and you're going to have to type that number, and it's going to have to show Bandies. See? Requests. I hear it. Andy, did you get back to me on Instagram? I don't see you. Can you comment on one of my posts also, Bandies? Sorry, guys. Oh, there you are. There you are. I think I see you. Hold on. All right, you're Bandies. I got you. I got you. All right, stand by. I'm going to give you a number to type. Okay, type that number in the chat, bro. Oh, Bandy, I got Bandies right now, and I'll do the curls because they have a meeting there. I have a meeting here to be a part of here in about 15, 20 minutes. He's contacting me. He's talking in the chat. Yep, I see you, Bandies. Bandies, if you, or I see your name, your real name. I won't say your real name. Bandies, in the YouTube chat, I need you to type that number. Because then it shows me that you're the guy that's gonna win. Moolah, you're typing in random numbers. It'd be crazy if you did guess it. But type in that number, Bandies. Okay, Sammy, type the number. Type this number in the YouTube chat. Everybody's guessing numbers. Okay, yes. Okay, you seen it. Sammy, go back to the YouTube live. Okay, perfect. All right, he's about to do it, guys. One of you will guess it. The truth is, one of you will. It'll just take years, probably, till someone guesses it. Ooh, H-dub. That was close, bro. Trades by Shaq 4362. Nice work, Bandies. All right, I got you here. I just need your first name and last name and email, and then I'll get you that 50K funded account with TX3 Markets. Guys, if you haven't done so, follow me on Instagram, Trades by Shaq. Chat it up there, posting the payouts here. So, yep. Bandies, good job. Everybody, good work today. I know we were down $400, but we broke even, which is great. I'm going to wait till the FOMC minutes happen and see if the Feds are going to cut rates. I don't think that they are, but at this point, let's wait till Mr. Powell says good afternoon and see if the markets drop or pump, and I'll post in the Discord what trade I take. All right. Well, if you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. It's completely free. If you haven't subbed, it's a free way to support the channel. Appreciate you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, or maybe later. Maybe if I have time, I'll jump on live again during FOMC minutes. And Dylan is in the Discord trading live in the live chat. He does the post trading. He's a verified trader. He's making money trading. He's profitable. I know him personally. He's here in Arizona, so you can trust what he says. We have the same setup. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Peace out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.